Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is Lydia from LINBAY Machinery. Happy New Year. Hope you have a wonderful and successful 2021. Today, I'd like to introduce our Z profile roll forming machine. This machine we will ship to Vietnam. Let's have a look about this machine. Come here. On this machine, we'll work with two profile joints with two sides. So at the guide part, we use the digital shows. So next time when the customer will change the profile size, the feeding width will be different. So these 4 digital shows can give you the direct number. You can feed the raw material with you can feed the raw materials easily. After the guiding part, we have a leveling device. The leveling device is to make the steel panel more flat. So after this leveling device, it will make the raw material plate and smooth. Then you can see we here has a hydraulic pre-cut system. This hydraulic pre-cut system is to cut the steel coil head and the end. So when you start to produce all the time, it will make a big and a beautiful profile joint. It won't lose a lot of raw materials. After that, we will go into the roll forming machine part. Here, we put the material rollers with a higher quality GCR15 material, and besides, we chromed all the rollers, so the rollers will have a longer service life. And you can see all the rollers are brilliant, and they are very good, and they are in very good quality. Here we have a small design. You can see this design is very special. This is a Z profile joint in case the profile come out twisted. So we use this design. You can adjust the rollers, upper rollers and down rollers with very small tolerance. So the profile joint after forming will be very direct. It is a small design tech in this small machine. We always use the rollers forming parts slowly and slowly, especially for 3 mm thickness. Then we here has an encoder to measure the length of the profile joint. We use the coil brand. It has a good precision when it works. Here, last we get into the final profile joint. 你过去一点，小杨过来看一下。We will check how it works. The cutting is incline style. So it will not have the wastage when you make the cut. Now let's check the angle, the size angle of the final product. Here is the 90 degrees perfect match with our measure ruler. Okay. This is the most difficult part. the profile joint may be twisted, if the design is not good. This is all for today. If you are interested in roll forming machines, please feel free to contact with us. You have my contact information and comments. See you next time. Bye bye.